So here we have a customer file. They want to set up a cut print job for the Mimaki. Now, the problem is here, well, we've got a couple of paths which are open, which I'm not going to worry too much about that. As long as this is on its own layer, the vinyl cutter will still cut around where it needs to cut, even though there are separate shapes in here. So all I really need to do is assign the right layers, and then when I send it to the Mimaki print and cut, those right layers will one will cut, one will print, etc. So this one here, let's call this layer print, for instance. Create a new layer, we'll call this one cut. And then what we want to do is we want to double click on this, oops, and set the properties to this layer, not to print, okay? And that'll become italic, so to tell you that it's not actually a printing layer. So no matter what color or whatever we do with this now, it's not going to print it. So I want to get all the objects here that I want to place on my cut layer, edit cut to get rid of them, onto my cut layer, edit, paste in front. And now I can move these around as I need be to place them in the right area. Just nudge that where I want it. There we go. We can double check. There's our print data and there's our cut data. Alright, so that's basically ready to go. And obviously now we just need to save the file. Depends on how you do it, if you need to put crop marks around the outside, but the file's basically ready now for the Mimaki.